Smoothies can be used as a quick and delicious breakfast. Today I will introduce you to this strawberry blueberry smoothie. Strawberries and blueberries are very easy to obtain fruits and provide a variety of vitamins and nutrients. They have significant benefits to our health. Healthy, wholesome, and lip-smackingly good, this strawberry blueberry smoothie is just perfect for people who have hectic morning schedules and hardly get any time to sit and have a proper breakfast. You can complete this smoothie in 5 minutes, and it will allow you to spend a whole day. When your time is short, this is a great drink to enjoy on the road. To make this creamy and refreshing smoothie, you need strawberries, blueberries, milk, yogurt, vanilla extract and honey. First, wash blueberries and strawberries, cut the pulp into small pieces, and freeze overnight or for 6 to 8 hours. Then put the frozen blueberries and strawberries into the blender. Finally, add milk, yogurt and some honey, mix everything until smooth, and your smoothie is ready. If you like vanilla flavor, you can add some vanilla extract to make the smoothie more delicious. If you like a smoothie with rich fruit flavor, rich nutrition and simple ingredients, then today's strawberry blueberry smoothie will soon become your favorite. Want to get the recipe in this video? Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.